Hi all. Next we have to do the problems of the type infinity, minus infinity and 0 into infinity. So what we have to do? This is the indeterminate forms of the type infinity, minus infinity and 0 into infinity. So first we have to do is convert this infinity, minus infinity and 0 into infinity into of the type of convert this into of the type 0 by 0 or infinity minus infinity by rearranging the terms. For example, limit x tending to 0 plus x log x equal to, which is equal to 0 into log infinity, that's equal to log is an increasing function, so this is log infinity is infinity, so this is of the type 0 into infinity. So we have to convert this into a infinity by infinity or 0 by 0 form. So this is equal to, I can convert this into, we cannot change this log x, so I can change this x as divided by 1 by x. Log x divided by 1 by x is actually, what is that? X into log x. So this is equal to log infinity by 1 by 0, that is infinity by infinity form. Okay. So what we have to apply? We have to apply the L'Hopital rule, that is derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. Right, that is log x derivative is 1 by x, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Here this is equal to 1 by x into 1 by x divided by minus 1 by x square, that's equal to 1 by x into minus x square. So limit x tending to 0 plus this get cancelled, that is minus x is remaining term, so x tending to 0 plus minus x equal to, that is 0. Similarly, can you do, is it clear the first problem? Yes, x into log x. Can you do the same problem with x raised to a where a is greater than 0? If a equal to 1, this is the first problem. If a equal to 2, 3 and so on. So do this problem please. Okay. So next is example, limit x tending to 0 plus x cot x is equal to x cot x, and this is of the form 0 into cot 0. Cot 0 is 1 by tan 0, that is 1 by 0, that is infinity. So see, this is of the form 0 into infinity form. Next is this equal to the limit x tending to 0 plus 0 plus x into cot x limiter extending to 0 plus x divided by tan x. So this is equal to 0 by 0 form. So we can apply the L'Hopital rule, that is derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. This is equal to 1 by 6 square x. That is 1 by 6 square 0, that's equal to 1. So the answer is 1. So the answer is 1. Next we have to do some more problems related to this. Some more problems related to this. We had to do this. This is equal to, this is infinity by infinity form. We had to do these type of problems also. To limit x tending to infinity, x raised to n divided by e raised to x. This is a homework for you. Okay. Next is, I had to do is, I would like to do this problem. Evaluate limit x tending to 0 plus 1 by x minus 1 by e raised to x minus 1. This is of the form 1 by 0 divided by 1 by e raised to 0 is 1 minus e raised to 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 0. So 1 by 0, that is infinity. So this is of the type infinity minus infinity. So infinity minus infinity type by writing the expression as a single fraction, we obtain the indeterminate form of the type 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So convert this infinity minus infinity term into by single, convert this as a single fraction. So you can convert this into of the type 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Here, look this problem. Limit x tending to 0 plus 1 by x minus 1 by e raised to x minus 1. This is equal to limit x tending to 0 plus e raised to x into e raised to x minus 1 is a common term. This is e raised to x minus 1 is equal to e raised to x minus 1. This is of the type 0 by 0. So again apply the L'Hopital rule, that is e raised to x minus 1 divided by e raised to x. We use the product rule. Okay. So this is e raised to x divided by x plus 2 into e raised to x. This we will get 1 by 2 here. We have done this problem also. So next I am going to do the forms, indeterminate forms, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0 and 1 raised to infinity. What we have to do, this type of problem, what we have to solve? The limit extending to a f of x raised to g of x is said to be an indeterminate form of the type 0 raised to 0 if limit of f of x is equal to 0 and limit of g of x equal to 0 equal to infinity raised to 0 if limit of f of x is infinity and limit of g of x is 0. 1 raised to infinity if limit of f of x is equal to 1 or limit of g of x equal to infinity plus or minus infinity. So how can you evaluate this type of problem? So x raised to x, limit x tending to 0 plus x raised to x. For any type of this problem, for any problems, we have to put y equal to x raised to x. Next step is taking logarithm on both sides. That is log y equal to log x raised to x. What is log x raised to x? X log x. X log x. Next, apply the limit on log y. Limit x tending to 0 plus log y equal to limit x tending to 0 plus x log x, which is equal to 0 into infinity form. We have done this problem before. So the answer is 0. So what is limit x tending to 0 plus log y? That's equal to 0. Then limit x tend to infinity, what will be y? Limit x y is equal to e raised to 0. Okay, if y equal to x raised to x, log y equal to log x raised to x, that is y equal to e raised to 0, that is y equal to e raised to log y, that is e raised to x tending to infinity, limit log y, that's equal to e raised to 0, which is equal to 1. So the limit is 1 here. Similarly, we have to do the next problem. Evaluate limit x tending to 0 plus 1 by x raised to sin x. This is of the type of 1 by x as x tending to 0, this is infinity. This is sine 0, that is 0, infinity raised to 0 form. What we have to do? The first attempt, y equal to 1 by x raised to sine x. Next is taking logarithm on both sides. So log y equal to ln 1 by x raised to sine x, which is equal to sine x into log 1 by x. And limit extending to 0 plus log y equal to limit extending to 0 plus sine x into log 1 by x. What we have to do this type sin x into log 1 by x, I can substitute this as log 1 by x divided by 1 by sin y, sin 1 by x, 1 by sin x. So log 1 by x by 1 by sin x. So this is of the form log 1 by x as x tending to 0 is log 0 minus infinity. This is again infinity. So this is infinity by infinity form. Next is limit extending to 0. This is, I can write this as log 1 by x equal to minus log x divided by 1 by sin x. So this is infinity by infinity form. Again, I am rewriting this log 1 by x as minus 1 by minus log x. So again apply the L'Hopital rule, that is minus 1 by x divided by, this is cos x by sin square x, minus cos x by sin square x. So this is limit extending to 0 plus sin square x divided by x cos x. This is equal to sin x by x into tan x. This limit we know this is equal to always 1. So this limit is 0, 1 into 0, that's equal to 0. So the answer is 0. That is log y equal to 0. So the limit of y equal to e raised to 0, that's equal to 1. Consider this also. Limit extending to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x raised to x. This is the standard problem. So y equal to what? 1 plus 1 by x raised to x. So for next we have to do taking logarithm on both sides. Log y equal to ln 1 plus 1 by x raised to x. That is x log 1 plus 1 by x. This is equal to limit log y taking, this is of the form 0 into log 1 plus 1 by x, that is equal to, this is 0, 0 into infinity form. So I have to convert this into log, I am logos in the numerator itself, I am converting this x into 1 by x. So this is of the form 0 by 0 form. Applying the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this is 1 by 1 plus 1 by x. This equal to 1. So this equal to limit extending to infinity, limit y equal to e raised to 1, that's equal to e. Okay. You have to do these type of problems also. This is a problem you have to do. Okay.